given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear.
So, okay guys, in today's video, I'm going to take this Sprite challenge. Yeah. Yeah. And so, okay guys, if you guys enjoyed this challenge today, I want you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for some more videos. Bye.
To be poor, knowing that's how we've been raised. Society is getting heavy, I can feel the weight. The pressure of success is like 100 million pounds of shit.